Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to EFI Investment Club. And today is Saturday, February 20th, and making a video today for you guys on Bitcoin on the KuCoin exchange. Thank you for joining me today. I'm actually excited. Bitcoin has been on a tear up. We at now $56,765, changing as we speak. This is the KuCoin markets. Let's see what been moving today. Wow, KuCoin's been moving. They're at 460. My entry price was 280 on my third round. So, doing very well. ADA is going to Coinbase, hopefully by the end of the month. Cardano. What else do we have here? Algo. Wow. Algo gives 6% APR on Coinbase, in which it's nice. I receive about 55 cents a day just by holding Algorand. So today we're going to discuss Bitcoin. And the way we trade Bitcoin is the same way we trade everything else. What you would need is a 2 to 5 minute chart. You would need two moving averages, the 200 and the 20. You might want to use the volume bar. Some people use MACD. Some people use something else. Another thing you want to see is a tight state where the two moving averages are really close together. And right now we're looking very, very good. We are above the 20. We are almost above the 200. I preferably want the 20 above the 200, but right here is fine. Once you have your chart set up, you want to take profits when you're away from the two moving averages. And you want to get into a trade when you're very close to the moving averages, like right here, right now. It went up, it retraced back about 5 to 6 candles. Now it's on its way back up. There's only two rules in trading. Rule number 1, don't lose money. And rule number 2, go look at rule number 1. Your job as a trader is not to make money. It's the market's job to make money. Your job is not to lose any. And this is an important lesson because a lot of new traders out there don't know how it works. There's a lot of gamblers. There's a lot of speculators. And once you've been trading for a couple of years now, and the market has taught you everything it has to teach you, and you have experience, you want to be able to take it to a different level. And it's a level of consistently profitable trading. So having said that, it's very simple. I could use any time frame. So look at here. The 200 is below the 20. And the graph is getting away from these two. Look how far it is. This is where you want to start taking some profits. You want to get in when you back up above the 20. This is the long-term chart. Does it count? Yes, it counts. I'm watching it very carefully here. Make sure that this graph doesn't come back to hit my 200 on a tight state. This is a triple screening method where you start looking from the top time frame. I start looking at the weeklies. Look what Bitcoin has taken off for the last months. I come down to the daily. It's looking bullish. I go to the 4 hour. Very bullish. This is a bull flag forming on the 4 hour. I go to the 30 minute. But look at this. It went away from the 20. It came back to hit the 20. It didn't go below it. And it retraced back right from the 20. So these levels are very important. This might look simple, but it's not easy. It's not easy. You see how this so? You already hit this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This area of 56.2 has been hit a lot on the 30-minute chart. Let's keep going down. Let's go to the 5-minute. Look at this. So a tight state. This is not a Y state. This is a Y state. This is a tight state right here. You see when you start taking profit, when you're away from the moving averages, you start taking profit. When you close to the moving averages, that's when you want to get in on the trade again. Right now it looks like a retracement happening here. Is it going to retrace back down to 56.4? It might. But 3 candles. These are the 3 soldiers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3 here. I think this is going to reverse back up. Beautiful trading. Let's go to the 1-minute chart. Right now I'm screening my trade. This is a perfect area where you could get in. It's making a pin bar on a tight state now. Yes, it is below. It is below the moving averages. But it's okay. We want to see a reversal. Right here. Right here. Right at this high. As soon as it breaks this high, boom, I'm getting in. It has to break that high. I'm looking left to know what I'm going to do in the right. I'm looking left to see what I'm going to do in the right. So you look left. Looking left will tell you the future. Bitcoin is very bullish. And we have the team and I have been trading Bitcoin since it was $2,800. We've been at this for about 3 years. The team and I. I've been doing it for about 7 years, full time. After I left the proprietary trading desk in New York City in 2002, right after the World Trade Center, I started trading on my own. And it has been the best decision that I have ever made. Let's go check. Well, Bitcoin is going up right on the pin bar. It's not followed by a green candle, but this one negates itself because of this elephant bar right here. I need to see this elephant bar get above the moving average. That will confirm that it's a bullish trend, and we'll continue to go up. If it retraces here, then this trend is broken and it's going to come down. But as of right now, it wants to stay in trend, and the trend is your friend, bullish. Let's make a line here and move on to something else. I love making lines. My team, IFA, knows I like making lines. And I like making lines on the lows, right there. Look at it. You see how this trend line is hitting the price where it is now? Just about. It wants to get right here, above the moving averages. That's all you need, guys. You need the 20, the 200 as an indicator. You need a tight state or a narrow state, wherever direction you're going. And you need the vision of power. You gotta look. You gotta look left. You gotta look at the time frames. The 3-screen time frames. So it's getting above my moving averages. It's perfect. My entry point was 56.6. Right now it's 56.7, going up. It's a beautiful thing. It can get any better. It can't get any better than this. If you've been trading Bitcoin with me for a long time, you're in very good position right now. And you should continue to hold Bitcoins for the future, because it's becoming more and more store value. If you don't hold Bitcoins, your dollars will lose 20% a year. And that's for another video. But the purchasing power of that dollar is diminishing every day. The more the Fed print money, the more it diminishes. There's 21 million Bitcoins that will ever be minted. There's 18.6 out there. And now the institutional investors are getting in. So this is like a broken record, because I've been repeating that for a long time. People know. Let's go check the markets. Qcoin is on a tear up. ADA, Aave is part of the decentralized exchange. Let me go here so you guys can see it better. Let's go to markets. This is the Qcoin exchange. This is where we could get a lot of coins that it's not available with Gemini or Coinbase. You could come a Qcoin. There's not a lot of exchanges that will let you trade other coins. That's why I like to advertise KuCoin, because